Oh my God, they're going into the yard.
What is going on with all these birds?
Look behind
Oh my
you.
God. There are like so many of them. What the fuck? Look at the sky. Oh Jesus.
Oh my God.
Oh.
This is crazy.
Jesus, like put your window up. Look at them. Oh my goodness.
Oh my God.
Wow. That's nuts.
Look, they're all. Look at our yard over there.
Look at them. Look how cool that looks. Look, they all got up.
Dude, I see it.
Oh my goodness. Do you see what I'm seeing out my front window right now? It's like the flying of the birds. Like,
look on your side.
oh my God. Holy shit.
I've never seen nothing like this. Babe, we're in the midst of all these birds.
I know we are, and I'm kind of scared.
Look, Chase. Uh-oh, look at that.
Oh my God.
Holy
Oh my
shit.
God, look at this.
Drive up them.
I don't want to drive up. I'm
They're
scared.
done. They're all in front of us now.
I know, and I gotta leave. I'm scared. I don't want to drive. I don't want to drive through them. Look at this guy. This guy's like, oh my God! Look at that. It's like a swarm. I can't
so
zoom
crazy.
in.
Go in front of you.
Oh my God!
Let me see that. I'm gonna get out. I'm not gonna attack you.
I bet not.
I might get shit on. Tornado of birds over there. I've never seen nothing like that. They're going across the street.
This car is like, what the fuck is going on? It's the apocalypse.
That was insane.
Look
It's
at
still
this car.
recording.
This car is like, holy shit. What the fuck is going on?
Do I want to drive over there? Nah, look, they're all in these trees now.
You want to ask this lady what they think? No, look,
Yeah,
on
go.
the street. Look, you can't drive. You see this? Yeah. Oh my
That's
God.
crazy.
This isn't right.
Look at this front yard up here.
Look at this house.
Yeah, we're looking at it.
We're videotaping it. I'm like, oh my goodness.
Oh, very cool.
Alright, we're done. I've never seen nothing like that. That was so crazy. Alright. 52 seconds. 4 minutes, 16 seconds. I've
Well,
never
you
seen
should've seen
anything
it
like that. It was
across
the
the
craziest
street.
thing I've ever seen.
We were parked there for so long that they actually just went all around our car.
Oh my God.
I was like, I can't
I don't know how to work
believe
this.
my lawn.